People, welcome back. New video. This is the final week of the walking challenge. I will continue walking after the 4 weeks, but I've got a brand new challenge coming up. Well, I'm not sure about that. Right. I've got fucking red on as well. I don't know about this now. I do go forward and all. I'm not fucking arguing with no bull. I'll be back in a bit. Right, I'm taking the chance. If I see a fucking bull, I'm out of here. Plenty of sheep. No bull so far. So we'll keep going. If I see one at the top of this hill, I'm fucking backwards. I'm not getting chased by no bulls, man. Anyway, as I was saying, this is the final week of the challenge. I will continue walking after the 4 weeks because I want to get the miles up for future challenges. But as for now, I'll crack on with this walk and update you later on. So keep it real, people. Over and out. I made it through that field with no bull. Plenty of sheep. A couple of horses over there. No bull. I think someone were talking bull shit. Anyway, I'll crack on. I'll see you all later. As you can make that out there, there's a heron. Sat on the canal bank. Sorry for the shaky hands. Doing a spot of fishing. You can make out that there, the rainbow. You can't really see that. Anyway, bit of David Attenborough for you there. Down under undergrowth. That's not fucking David Attenborough, is it? I'm mumbling again. How cool was that? Out on my stroll today. No offence training, Preston No Offence training ground. Looking mint in the frost. Anyone for football? Lazy buggers should be up running. No wonder you're doing crap in the... Should be out running now. Getting the miles in, you bunch of lazy sods. No wonder you're doing crap. Up the north end. Coming up to Ashton Golf Course. It's looking rather fresh this morning. Let's have a look over the canal again. Anyone for golf? Nobody seems to be bothering with that neither. Nobody's out canoeing. I don't know. Boring. North End training ground again. Still nobody out. Keep watching. Right people, welcome back. Well, that's the end of the 4 weeks walking challenge. I did exceed my walking limit, so I'm pleased with that. However, I did succumb to the demon drink, so I kind of lost last week. It was after that pint of Guinness I had in Lytham, but shit happens. Got to take the rough with the smooth. It's all part of the journey. I was rough yesterday, but it is what it is. I've still exceeded what I wanted to do. I've lost weight, and I'm all ready for the next challenge, which is going to be a cold shower challenge. 28 days of cold showers. It's supposed to be quite healthy for you, so we'll find out. So keep your eyes out for that one. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all later.